Welcome to another Belle Tress Bang Up review. And this review is on two beautiful styles, Tehrani and also compared to Dalgona in the same colors, Roca Margarita Blonde. And I'm wearing my fave, Caliente, also in Roca. Now this review was filmed completely outdoors. So I'll see you back at the house for the conclusion. On with the unboxing of our beautiful new Tehrani in Roca Margarita Blonde. Heat friendly, purchased from Wig Studio 1, as all the wigs shown in this video are. And I am wearing Caliente in Bombshell Blonde. Inside of the cap, shown here on our new Tehrani Heat Friendly. A slight change in location as we unbox our Dalgona 16 Heat Friendly in Roca Margarita Blonde. Inside of the cap on our gorgeous Dalgona 16-inch in Roca. Look at those spliced in hairs at the ear tabs. Exquisite. And I've sewn in my wig comb for extra security. On with the show as I don my Dalgona. Both Tehrani and Dalgona fit on an average 22-inch head, give or take. All wigs purchased with my own funds from Wig Studio 1. And don't forget the Wig Studio 1 private Facebook group, Wig Topper and Support Group. We'd love to see you there. welcome back, and I do hope you enjoyed the review. Until we meet again in the next one.